Transform your hotel's indoor dining experience into a digital masterpiece that attracts and delights guests with a custom WordPress website. First things first, we need a strong foundation. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New for a hotel and restaurant website. Look for themes that are visually appealing, responsive, and offer good customization options. Search for terms like hotel, restaurant, or booking theme. Once you found a theme that suits your hotel's aesthetic and functional needs, click Install, and then activate. This sets the stage for your entire online presence. Now, let's add the functionality that makes your indoor dining shine. Go to Plugins. Then Add New. We'll need a robust booking plugin to handle reservations. Search for popular and well-rated options like Wordpress Hotel Booking or WP Hotel Booking. Also, consider a plugin for displaying your menu effectively, like Food Menu or Restaurant Menu. Install and activate your chosen plugins. These will be crucial for enabling your online reservation system and showcase your delicious menus. Next, create your core pages. Go to Pages. Then Add New. You'll want an About Use page to tell your hotel's story, a dedicated dining or in-room dining page, and a contact page for the dining page. Use your menu plugin to build an attractive and easy-to-read online menu. Populate your menu with mouth-watering descriptions and high-quality images of your dishes. This is where guests get their first taste of what your hotel offers. Now for reservations, use your booking plugin to create a dedicated reservation page or integrate booking forms onto your dining page. Configure the settings to reflect your indoor dining hours, availability, and any special requests guests might have. Finally, tie it all together. Navigate to Appearance, then Menus. To organize your website's navigation, make sure your dining and reservation pages are easily accessible. Customize your homepage to highlight your indoor dining services with compelling images and clear calls to action. Remember to test your reservation system thoroughly to ensure a seamless booking experience for your guests.